When you think of diamonds, you think of brilliance, of legacy, of something timeless. And when it comes to transforming the world's most extraordinary diamonds into elegant jewelry, one name leads the way: De Beers. From deep within the earth to the velvet box on your dresser, every De Beers diamond undergoes a journey marked by discovery, precision, and craftsmanship. These diamonds are mined from volcanic rock formations known as kimberlite pipes, structures formed billions of years ago during volcanic eruptions that brought carbon from the Earth's mantle to the surface. Once extracted, rough diamonds are sorted and classified at Beers Global Sightholder Sales in Gaborone, Botswana. Here, experts evaluate the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, and carat weight to determine a diamond's potential. Only a small fraction of these diamonds are deemed worthy for De Beers' own jewelry collections. Today, we're uncovering the step-by-step story of how De Beers creates its stunning diamond jewelry, fusing natural wonder with human mastery. Let's begin, and please subscribe and watch the end to learn some fascinating facts you never knew about De Beers diamonds. Every diamond begins as a geological miracle, formed over 3 billion years ago, 150 kilometers below the Earth's surface. Under intense heat and pressure, carbon atoms crystallize into what we know as a diamond. These rare stones are brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions and kimberlite pipes. De Beers, with operations in countries like Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and Canada, is one of the world's most renowned diamond producers, responsibly mining stones that uphold ethical and environmental standards. De Beers is not only known for beauty, but for integrity. Through its Building Forever initiative, De Beers is committed to ethical mining, environmental stewardship, and supporting local communities. Each diamond is fully traceable, using blockchain technology to verify its journey from mine to masterpiece. Once rough diamonds are mined, they're sorted by size, shape, and quality. This process takes place at the De Beers Global Sightholder Sales facility in Botswana, where experts evaluate the potential of each stone. Diamonds destined for De Beers jewelry go through one of the strictest sorting processes in the world. Trained gemologists use microscopes and expert hands to assess every stone. Rough diamonds are examined under intense light to map out internal inclusions or flaws. Only a fraction of these diamonds are selected for De Beers' own jewelry line. These are the rarest and most exceptional. Turning a rough diamond into a brilliant gemstone takes master craftsmanship. De Beers partners with world-class diamond cutters, many of whom have decades of experience. Using laser mapping, experts study each rough diamond to determine the ideal cut that will unleash its full potential. Using this cutting-edge technology like X-ray tomography and 3D modeling, De Beers can predict the best way to cut each stone to maximize brilliance and value. These 3D scans help artisans decide whether a rough diamond should be cut into a single large stone or multiple smaller gems. Then, skilled artisans cut, facet, and polish the diamond by hand, often over the course of several weeks. It's not just about size. De Beers prioritizes symmetry, light performance, and purity. Only the top 1% of diamonds make it into their high jewelry line. The next step, bruting, the process that gives the diamond its round shape. Then, master polishers meticulously shape each facet. A round brilliant diamond, for example, has 58 precisely angled facets to capture and reflect light like a tiny mirror. One misstep, and the diamond's value could drop dramatically. That's why many of De Beers artisans have trained for decades. Some of their expert polishers are second or even third-generation diamond cutters. While the diamond tells one story, its setting tells another. De Beers designers sketch dozens of concepts before settling on a perfect design. Inspiration comes from nature, geometry, and the diamond's own personality. The design process begins in De Beers' London headquarters, where in-house designers sketch initial concepts for rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Each design is influenced by nature, geometry, or history. Once approved, these sketches are turned into 3D CAD models. The prototype is then printed in wax and cast in platinum or 18-karat gold using the lost wax casting method. Digital modeling and 3D printing allow designers to test proportions, wearability, and balance long before the final materials are touched. Skilled goldsmiths and jewelers then prepare the setting. Using microscopes, they hand place each diamond, sometimes as small as a grain of sand, into intricate pave settings, halo arrangements, or classic solitaires. Precision is everything. A single De Beers diamond ring can take over 40 hours to create. Next comes the setting. Using platinum or 18-karat gold, jewelers cast the base for the design. Every claw, bezel, and band is shaped, filed, and polished by hand. The metal must not only be beautiful, but strong enough to hold a diamond for a lifetime. Artisans use felt wheels, diamond paste, and polishing compounds to ensure every metal surface gleams. De Beers prioritizes mirror finish polishing, where the surface is so reflective it mimics a glassy sheen. Then comes laser engraving. Every De Beers diamond above 0.2 carats is microscopically engraved with a unique serial number that traces its origin, ensuring ethical sourcing. This step is crucial for the De Beers Code of Origin program, which guarantees that each stone is natural, conflict-free, and responsibly mined. Before leaving the atelier, every piece undergoes rigorous quality control. Gemologists recheck all settings, diamond alignment, and finish. If a single flaw is found, back it goes for adjustment. Before a De Beers piece reaches a boutique, it undergoes one final test: quality control. Master jewelers and gemologists examine every angle, every prong, every sparkle. Only pieces that meet De Beers' exacting standards receive their hallmark. Each diamond also receives certification, verifying its origin, cut, clarity, and conflict-free status. Packaging is the final chapter of this luxurious journey. Each piece of De Beers jewelry is placed in a velvet-lined box embossed with the brand's name in silver foil, but the luxury doesn't end there. De Beers boutique staff are trained in the full history, symbolism, and craftsmanship behind each item. Buyers are given certificates of authenticity, diamond grading reports, and care kits for long-term maintenance. The buying experience is immersive, personal, and meant to mark life's milestones, whether engagements, anniversaries, or generational gifts. A De Beers diamond is more than jewelry, it's a legacy. From ethical origins to artisanal excellence, De Beers diamonds represent not just beauty, but trust, a commitment to responsibility, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Now, let's look at some dazzling facts about De Beers and their unforgettable diamond jewelry. Fun fact number 1. Did you know De Beers has been a leader in the diamond industry for over 130 years? Founded in 1888, the company has shaped global diamond practices and continues to innovate in ethical sourcing and craftsmanship. Number 2. Did you know De Beers created the iconic phrase, "A diamond is forever"? This 1947 advertising slogan, coined by copywriter Francis Garrity, became one of the most recognized and effective taglines in history. Fun fact number 3. Did you know De Beers was the first to use blockchain to track diamond provenance? Their tracer platform ensures each stone is fully traceable, providing customers with peace of mind about ethical sourcing. Number 4. Did you know De Beers collaborates with governments to ensure local communities benefit from mining? In Botswana, for example, revenues from De Beers mining are reinvested into education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Fun fact number 5. Did you know that less than 1% of the world's diamonds qualify for De Beers' high jewelry line? Only the rarest, most flawless stones are selected for their top-tier creations. Fun fact number 6. Did you know it can take 6 to 12 months to create a single high jewelry piece? From design to polishing, each creation is a labor of love and precision. Number 7. Did you know De Beers also produces lab-grown diamonds through its Lightbox brand? These are clearly labeled and affordably priced, distinguishing them from the company's natural diamonds. Fun fact number 8. Did you know De Beers trains local talent in diamond cutting and jewelry making? Their beneficiation programs ensure that value remains in the countries where diamonds are sourced. Number 9. Did you know every De Beers diamond above 0.2 carats is hand-inspected by gemologists? Even with advanced technology, the human eye remains an essential part of quality control. Fun fact number 10. Did you know De Beers diamonds are sorted into over 12,000 categories? These include color, shape, size, clarity, and fluorescence, ensuring precise grading and matching. Number 11. Did you know De Beers was involved in founding the Kimberlite process? This international certification scheme helps prevent the flow of conflict diamonds into the global market. Fun fact number 12. Did you know De Beers' diamond grading system is among the most rigorous in the world? It goes beyond the traditional 4 C's to include symmetry, polish, and optical performance. Number 13. Did you know some of De Beers' rough diamonds are displayed in natural crystal form? These showcase the stunning beauty of untouched stones before they're ever cut. Fun fact number 14. Did you know De Beers sources some of its most valuable diamonds from its Victor mine in Canada? Known for producing high-clarity stones, this mine operates with strict environmental regulations. And fun fact number 15. Did you know De Beers diamonds have been featured on red carpets and royal tiaras? From Oscar-winning actresses to monarchs, De Beers pieces have adorned some of the most iconic names in history. From deep within the earth to a place close to your heart, every De Beers diamond tells a story. It's a story of time, of tradition, of unmatched craftsmanship. Would you wear a De Beers diamond, or do you already own one? Let us know in the comments below. If you love this look into the world of fine jewelry, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more timeless luxury stories. Until next time, shine bright.